If you need to view history in Lucidchart, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, and I'll also show you what to expect if version history is locked behind a premium plan. This is a super useful feature when you want to check past changes, compare older versions, or restore work if something gets edited by mistake. So whether you're trying to review a diagram, track updates, or troubleshoot changes, this is the fastest way to find it. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document on your PC. Log in to your Lucidchart workspace and open the diagram you want to review. You need to be inside the actual editor for this next step to work properly. Once your document is open, look to the upper left corner of the editor window. Click the three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. This opens the main menu for your document. From there, find the File option. You can hover over it or click it depending on how your menu appears. Inside the File submenu, look for the option that says Show Version History or Revision History. This is the setting that lets you view the timeline of changes made to the document. Now, here's the important part. Version history in Lucidchart is a premium feature, so what happens next depends on your account type. If you're on a paid plan, such as individual, team, or enterprise, clicking version history should open a panel on the right side of your screen. From there, you can browse older versions, preview previous edits, compare changes, and restore an earlier version if needed. This is really helpful if you want to undo a mistake or see how a diagram evolved over time. If you're on a free account, you may notice that the version history option is grayed out. In some cases, clicking it will bring up a message asking you to upgrade your plan or start a premium trial to unlock the feature. That means the history timeline isn't available on the free tier. There's one more situation to be aware of. If you're using a corporate or team account and the option still appears unavailable, you may only have view-only access to that specific document. In that case, you'll need to ask the document owner for edit permissions before you can access the timeline history. So, to quickly recap, open your Lucidchart diagram, click the menu icon, go to File, and select Show Version History. If you're on a premium plan, the history panel will appear. If you're on a free plan or only have view-only access, you may need to upgrade or request permission. That's how to view history in Lucidchart. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Lucidchart feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.